पण खंय तरी आमी ग्रासरूट लेवलाचेर फाटीं उरलेले आहा. म्हणजे आमचे जे लिडर आहा, जे आमचे आमदार आहा, मिनिस्टर आहा, ते लोकां मदेकात पावना अशें आमकां दिसता. एटलीस्ट एज फार एज आय एम कन्सर्न, आय कॅन सी दॅट आमचे MLAs, मिनिस्टर्स और बीजेपी मंडल जे प्रेसिडेंट्स असता आनी तेजी कमिटी आहा ते लोकां मदेकात खंय तरी पावपाचे फाटीं उरलेले आहा. तेणी आमकां चिंतचें पडटलें हेजेर.
बिचोलीची कितें दिसता? हांव आर यू एनालायझिंग?
ना, बिचोली दिसता की बीजेपीक थंय यश मेळ्ळां अशें. म्हणजे जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शनान नरेश सावळान तेंचे सीट हाडिल्ले, पण बीजेपीन त्या नंतर थंय सुदारणा केली. म्हणजे राजेश पाटणेकर, मागीर आनी एकटो कडकडे, अशे एक दोन माजी नगराध्यक्ष, नगरसेवक माजी तांच्यांनी भितर घेतले आणि पूर्णपणे भाजपची टीम, म्हणजे भाजप प्रदेशाध्यक्ष, तांची कोर टीम, श्रीपाद नायकाच्यो 2-3 मिटिंगो जाल्यो, मुख्यमंत्र्याच्यो जर आसताल्योच थंय मिटिंगो, पूर्णपणे तांच्यांनी लक्ष थंय केंद्रीत केलें. कारण ती बीजेपीची जागा आशिल्ली, जे विधानसभा जो मतदारसंघ आशिल्लो तो बीजेपीचो. दुसरो नरेशाचो वॉर्ड हो ग्रामीण भागान आसा, पण बिचोली शहरान ना अशें आतां दिसून आयला. म्हणजे ह्या इलेक्शन रिझल्टान दाखोवन दिले की
अनदर फॅक्टर, झेडपी इलेक्शनाक
हय
नरेश एंड राजेश वेर टुगेदर.
हय,
देर वॉज अन समथिंग अनस्पोकन, अनडिक्लेअर्ड अलायन्स, हिडन अलायन्स. जंय आता जेन्ना राजेश ओपनली बीजेपी वटेच्यान येता, सिच्युएशन बिकम्स टफ इन बीजेपी फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम.
आणि झेडपी वेळा इक्वेशन अशी आशिल्ले की नरेश जिखपाचो अशें बीजेपीतल्या एका ग्रुपाक दिसताले. कारण जो उमेदवार झेडपी खातीर उबो केल्लो की तांकां दिसताले की तो उमेदवार पडपा जाय म्हणून, त्यामुळे नरेश सावळाक यश मेळिल्लो.
देयर वॉज दीस विदिन द बीजेपी दॅट ह्या कॅन्डिडेटाक उडोवया म्हणून अशें आसलें. आनी पार्टीनूय अंडरस्टँड केलें मागीर तें. So certain changes what had to be done, आमी केल्यो त्यो. That was very much important. See, certain decisions, harsh decisions have to be taken, which the party has taken. We have corrected. That is why these are the results.
चित्र असतकूच जे खुबशे आमदार आपण थंय म्हणून विचार करताले, तांकां एक दुसरे तरेन विचार करचो पडटलो आयज.
सुभाष फळदेसाय जेन्ना स्वताची इलेक्शनाक जिखलो तो हार्डली 400 मतांनी जिखलो. जेन्ना हाजी हें जालें, विधानसभेचे जालें, लोकसभेचे जालें, लोकसभेक ताची लीड ऑलमोस्ट 7,000चेर पावली. आज परत ताणें जे आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर जे कॉन्सॉलिडेशन केलां तें दिश्टी पडटा. सो यू शूड गिव क्रेडिट टू सुभाष फळदेसाय फ्रॉम दॅट 400 वोट्स लीड टू दिस लँडस्लाइड स्वीपिंग ऑफ हिज कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. दॅट इज यू हॅव टू गिव क्रेडिट. दिसता
बीजेपीचे एक दोन जे आमदार सक्रिय आसा, म्हणजे निलेश काब्राल, सुभाष फळदेसाय, तांकां तांची मतदार पावती दिता अशें म्हणपाक जाय. दुसरे तांच्यांनी एक होप दिल्या की मायनिंग मोठ्या प्रमाणात पुन्हा स्टार्ट जाता. जे लोकसभे वेळार तांच्यांनी आश्वासनूच दिल्ले की मायनिंग आमी स्टार्ट करता म्हणून, आणि आता तांच्यांनी दाखवून दिला की मायनिंग हळूहळू आमी स्टार्ट करता जशें आश्वासन दिल्ले त्यानुसार. त्यामुळे मायनिंग बेल्ट तांच्या बाजून रावला अशें बिचोलेनूय दिसून आयले, अशें हांगाय दिसून आयले किंवा सांगेनूय दिसून आयले. सो मायनिंग डिपेंडंट्स जे आसा ते आशा दवरून आसा की हांचे कडेन सत्ता दिल्यार पुन्हा मायनिंग स्टार्ट जाता असो एक. आणि दुसरो आमदाराची जी मसल पॉवर असता, मनी पॉवर असता, ताजोय फायदो जाता. सांगे काँग्रेस म्हणटा ती अस्तित्वहीन, थंय ब्लॉक वयना, थंय इच्छूक धडाडीचो उमेदवारूय ना काँग्रेस कडेन. म्हणजे सांगे सारको मतदारसंघ हो बीजेपीक तांच्यांनी आंदण दिला, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिला, अशी सिच्युएशन आसा.
पेडणेचो रिझल्ट आयला जंय बीजेपी इज क्लियरली फॉर्मिंग द कावन्सील. पेडण्या शेकी आसा काय कितें, पेडण्या बीजेपीक मेजॉरिटी मेळटली काय ना, वासुदेव देशप्रभूचो फॅक्टर जो तांच्या विरोधात गेला तो कितलो इफेक्ट करतलो, असे जे प्रश्न येताले. जंय वासुदेव देशप्रभू स्वताच दोन्ही कडेन पराभूत जाला. सद्गुरू, हाऊ आर यू लुकिंग एट पेडणे? दिस इज अ बिग बूस्ट फॉर राजेंद्र आर्लेकर.
हय, म्हणजे राजेंद्र आर्लेकरान जे म्हणटाले आदी की आमदार मंत्री जावचे पयलीं की ताजे थंय पोझिशन डळमळीत आसा किंवा लोकसंपर्क थंय ना, हे सगळे समज ताणें खोटे ठरयला. आणि थंय बीजेपी उमेदवार निवडी पासून आतां पर्यंत तांच्यांनी यश आयले तांकां अशें दिसून आयलें. म्हणजे खूब जाणां दिसताले की 50% लोकांक तरी दिसताले की थंय बीजेपीक विक्ट्री मेळूं शकना अशा प्रकारची चर्चा आसली. पण ती खोटी ठरयली. म्हणजे मुख्यमंत्री किंवा अन्य जे मंत्री आसा ते सुद्धा थोडे साशंकतेन पळयताले, पण तांकां सुद्धा आपलो दृष्टिकोन आता पेडणे बद्दल बदलचो पडटलो अशा प्रकारचो मेसेज दिला ह्या रिझल्टान.
पेडणे इज अ स्मॉल सरप्राईज बट गुड सरप्राईज फॉर बीजेपी. मायकल?
नो, इट्स नॉट अ सरप्राईज. आमचो जो लिडर हा राजेंद्रजी आर्लेकर तो बारीक लोक, सगळे बारीक समाजाचे लोक, सगळे लोकांक घेवन फुडें वचपी मनीस. आनी तेणें प्रूव केल्लें आतां की इज अ टॉल लिडर एज फार एज दॅट एरिया इज कन्सर्न. म्हणजे थिंगासर जो लोक आहा तांकां they want some small favors to be done as far as development or personal things, which is being taken care by Bharatiya Janata Party, and especially Rajendra Ji Allekar. And तो आता minister झाला, so he can give more time and more development. हे जे it's a rural place, आणि जे development फुडें जावपाक जाय ते हितून जर तर सारखे वचत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता वी विल फॉर नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन वी विल बी एट 80%.
जर पेडणे आणि काणकोण दोन टोकांक गोंयची, एक कडेन बीजेपीचो मंत्री आसा जाचे सिच्युएशन बरें ना म्हणटाले, ही हॅज रिटेन्ड हीज होल्ड. काणकोणा जाचे सिच्युएशन बरें ना म्हणटाले, तागे हातांतल्यान होल्ड गेला. What does that say?
See, frankly, these things are very, it's extremely local. And as Michael says, it's also about the approach of the minister or the MLA concerned with the population. I think there was that level of arrogance from Ramesh Tawadkar. I think this was pretty much a given that Ramesh Tawadkar was unapproachable. He had become too big for his boots, and people wanted to teach him a lesson probably and put him in his place in Kankod. You can't say the same thing about Rajendra Arlekar. Rajendra Arlekar has got a certain different kind of persona. He's much more soft spoken, he's much more approachable, and clearly I think as a speaker, there is a lot of things. I do not know how much that plays a role. You guys should do a study on that. There's a lot of things that one sees also on television, especially from the performance in the assembly, how people perform in the assembly, and that very often influences even voter patterns. So Manohar Parrikar won the last election because of his splendid performance as leader of opposition. So in many ways I think Rajendra Arlekar comes across as a genuine pacifying leader, and he probably must have done the little works that matter. And what is important therefore in Pedne now is that clearly there is no Congress challenge there. Yes. And the only challenge that was there was Vasudeva Deshprabhu, and that has been decimated. And so therefore I think Rajendra Arlekar is going to be a significant and important force within the BJP, and many of his detractors may have to be careful.
One thing I would like to mention, from the time we started, we have been talking persons. Correct. And like I have seen Margaon. Margaon has been either Damu or Vijay. Digambar or no Digambar, but that garbage, parking, nothing else is discussed.
Aam Aadmi Party.
Nothing else is discussed.
So unfortunate.
No, even in the media, it has been so. I mean, it is one person versus another.
Because maybe everybody has accepted the fact that whichever council comes to power, these issues are going to be the perennial issues of our state. Nothing is going to happen.
No.
It's not good.
No.
I agree, it's not good.
It is not good. See, when the chief minister came to Margaon, he said this is Damo's semi-final. Then Digambar also made it such a prestige issue.
Correct.
Vijay has made it a prestige issue. And everywhere you go, this is the issue. Like the two central ministers come and campaign in Margaon.
Correct.
That Sripad Naik, Manohar Parrikar, chief minister comes and stays there for a number of days. I mean, was it required for this municipal election to this level?
Because it is a semi-final.
Because
because it is a semi-final.
Because they have made it a semi-final, we are discussing them only now.
No, but Cleophas, I think this is a systemic problem. This is not unique only to the Goan population or to the municipal election. As a people in the country, we are so enthralled by personality cults. Right through and through, that's what we have been following. We are not interested, and unfortunately even the political leadership is not interested in putting systems in place. So
Correct.
whether it is institutions, strengthening the officers, strengthening the executive, strengthening the police force, that is not important.
Not important.
And unfortunately we've got this Raja and Praja kind of mentality, this very feudal mentality, and I'm sure it percolates down to all of us. So the whole thing is, Modi is going to solve our problems. I mean, does anybody think of this in any other democracy? It is, you may have Barack Obama or you may have Donald Trump now as the face, but the reason American democracy works so well is because institutions work so well here. Unfortunately, here institutions are totally beholden to the leader or to the
absolutely right.
Just a minute back, Doctor himself has contradicted his earlier statement that for solving all these things, Kejriwal should be there.
Of course, no. I don't care about an individual.
Leaders will come and leaders will go. System has to be in place.
I can openly say that I don't care about Kejriwal. You will not be able to say that you don't care about Rahul Gandhi. My point is very simple. Kejriwal or Aam Aadmi Party are interested in setting up systems in place so that the governance of this country improves.
Like-
It is not about
correct,
individual.
well-
Unfortunately, Kejriwal has converted it into a little bit of a personality cult, which is disaster if he continues that way. Oh, we can say this openly. Aam Aadmi Party is very well.
See, I'll tell you one simple thing. जो तर सिस्टम आयज गोंयान येतलो जाल्यार आमची पार्टी जी पावर येयल्या 2012 BJP, यू लुक एट द सिस्टम ऑफ तुम्ही आसले पळय तेन्ना तुम्ही गार्बेजाचे कितें केलां आमी कितें तरी केलां
Anyway, let's see.
यू नो
Michael, let us
देर
not
इज अ
go-
सिस्टम
let us-
आमी
let us-
आतां
let us-
स्लोली वी हॅव स्टार्टेड
Let us
दॅट
not go into that issue. Let us
No,
not
but
go-
I'm just saying
It is so
that
slow that your train is not
No,
taken off from the
okay.
platform.
No, I
no,
don't
but
think-
we have started
No,
in
no,
the
no.
coastal belt is the first
तुमच्या पार्टी 3.5
plant.
वर्सां आता सत्तेर आसून सोनसोडो 7 कोटीचो प्रोजेक्ट चालू आहे ना 100 कोटीचो तुम्ही कितें करता ते पळोवया.
रेसीची जी पेडण्या बेज आशिल्ली ती बेज हांगा तुम्ही खंय तरी तुमच्या हातांतल्यान वचपाक लागले आनी तुमी ती दवरची म्हूण कांयच करना.
ना आमकां हांगा एफर्ट्स घालचे पडटले हातून अजिबात डावट ना कित्याक आमी जर ओवर कॉन्फिडंट जर जायत फक्त बीजेपीचे फेलियर्सांनी आमची काँग्रेस पार्टी सत्तेर येतली म्हणून जाल्यार ती चुकीची गजाल आसतली. आमकां भरपूर एफर्ट्स घालचे पडटले आनी ते येता ते काळान एफर्ट्स आसतले.
एक
See, the best way to charge the people is to make them contest elections, municipality, panchayats, zillas, and that is the way you keep them charged. I think there they have missed that opportunity.
Michael,
No, we will not have a very strong opposition as far as Congress is concerned. We will have to be worried about the other smaller parties, like आता आप येयल्या. So जे इंटेलेक्चुअल लोक आहा पळय ते थोडे जाण म्हणजे हे नाका
नाही, पण एक गजाल very frankly,
Congress is going on in a cold storage as far as I can see. And we will have to be worried about more about independents and parties like AAP and other parties, small parties,
Well, but
the Goan regional parties which will come up.
Michael is very interested to be in.
Michael, एक गजाल very frankly, it was a conscious decision to charge up your cadre, galvanize your cadre, that your party decided to go ahead and aggressively campaign in the municipal election, which Congress avoided.
See,
It was a very conscious
when
decision.
party decides to field candidates, it is the job of the party to see that the panel wins. It is the face of the party, no? So जेन्ना आमी कॅन्डिडेट घालता डिक्लेअर करता बाब प्रमोद इज आवर कॅन्डिडेट तेका जिखोवन हाडपाचें काम देन वी गो टू एनी लेवल. Even defense minister canvassing was criticized, but finally he's a party worker, he's a party soldier first. तेणे कॅनवस करूकूच जाय.
Okay,
So आमचे कॅन्डिडेटाक जिखोवपाक he has to do it.
the credit goes to BJP's cadre. Because even when their leaders were falling behind, their cadre came together, campaigned with a vigor, and they converted it.
See, there is no question that today in the entire country, the only party that genuinely has a cadre, pan India, is the BJP. Maybe Mamta has got a cadre there, Nitish has got his cadre here, and Aam Aadmi Party might have it in Delhi, etc. But the genuine cadre which comes out and is aggressive, and most important, the one thing that maybe they have been corrupted a little bit now being in power, but the one thing about this cadre is it genuinely works selflessly. Very often a congressman who has taken up a BJP ticket used to always comment to me, काँग्रेसीच्या वेळाक आमकां ते कार्यकर्ता आसा पळय तांकां चिकन आनी सोरो आनी हे ते सगळे घालचे पडटाचे. बीजेपी कार्यकर्त्यांक एक च्या दी आनी एक समोसा दी जालें तांचे कडेन. सो द पॉयंट इज दॅट देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कमिटमेंट बाय द केडर फॉर द बीजेपी एंड दॅट इज देयर बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ. देयर इज टू बी दिस ह्यूज क्रिटिसिझम ऑफ मनोहर पर्रीकर कमिंग डाउन and canvassing for the municipal election, and everybody was making fun of it. I don't look at it that way. If he himself, as the defense minister of the country, can actually come down, which have you seen Chidambaram come down and campaign at a local election at any point of time? Have you seen some of the bigger Congress stalwarts ever do that? Because at the end of the day, what matters to you is your conviction in the party and how hard you will work to bring the party to power. That is the most important.
एग्रेसिव्हली जो कॅम्पेन करपा जाय लिडर्स हे ते म्हणजे एक 20-50-30 दीस तरी सरकार अशें नाशिल्लें, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अशें नाशिल्लें, सगळे जाण फिल्डारूच आशिल्ले, जे सचिवालयान बीन मंत्री पळोवपाक मेळनाशिल्ले. ताजो तांकां फायदो मेळ्ळो निश्चितच. आनी काँग्रेसीन ना आमी इलेक्शनान ना अशी सोजवळ रावपाची जी भुमिका घेतली ताचेय फळ मेळ्ळें. दोतोर म्हणटा तशें हांव त्या दिसाय सांगिल्लें की इलेक्शन हीच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी असता की तुमच्या हाका गॅल्वनायज करा किंवा ताका मोटिवेट करा कार्यकर्त्यांक. ते करू ना. ते आता बाबू आजगांवकर म्हणटा की आपण पेडणेचो फुडलो उमेदवार, पण एक दीस तरी त्या पापयान थंय येवन मिटिंगो घेतल्या किंवा राजन आर्लेकराक चॅलेंज केला ना. म्हणजे घरा बसून तुमकां विजय मेळचो ना.
Leader who has gone into battle has won.
सारकें.
Yes.
I fully agree.
If Rajendra Arlekar went into battle, he won.